Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm the lead for the Healthy Pregnancy team. Our team is made up of dietitians and assistant practitioners who can support you with healthy changes and help you to feel good during pregnancy. We work alongside midwifery and at leisure centres and local community venues across an Iron Bevan Health Board area.
So what can you expect if you were referred to our service? We can provide advice and support with eating well, being active, and achieving a healthy weight gain during pregnancy. We can also give advice on pregnancy symptoms that may affect your food intake and foods and drinks to avoid during pregnancy. Our friendly team will help you to make lifestyle changes that are tailored to you and your family by listening to what is important to you.
We will be in contact to offer you options of support, which will include one-to-one appointments with a dietitian or an assistant practitioner at your local antenatal clinic, or it can be done over the telephone. We also deliver nutrition and cooking courses to pregnant women. We can also signpost you to different antenatal classes like yoga and aquanatal and walking groups.
We know changes can be hard, but we're here to support you to just make small changes and help you enjoy your pregnancy.
Your midwife may offer you a referral to our team at your first hospital appointment if you meet the criteria, but you can request support at any time during your pregnancy.
If you have any questions or would like to speak to a member of our team, you can get in contact with us via email or telephone. We look forward to speaking to you.